Hey guys, welcome back. Our chef wants to start. What are we cooking?
I'm going to cook indomie.
I only want to make us noodles. She already prepped everything. She cut everything already. See, these children don't like onions. See how she cut onions. Normally I cut their onions very little so that they don't see it on the food. But see how she cut them. You have to put water here and put it into.
I'm adding oil.
A vegetable here. Meanwhile, here is all our ingredients, and we have 2 eggs here. We are making 2 indomie.
So now we're going to be adding onion. So now we're going to be adding tomatoes.
So what did you just add?
I had pepper.
Oh, that's a chili. It's also pepper. I'm on the for this. I have to turn this.
Okay.
So what are you adding next?
Next we're going to add this sauce.
Saucisson is French. In English it's called what? Sausages. Hey, French children for my mind.
This is I don't remember to name.
It's a frozen veggies.
It's frozen veggies.
Uncle, wait, put this go inside. Silver.
Okay.
You are not checking on your noodles. You have to see if it's cooked. If not, it's going to be soggy. I think we should add the remaining. Indomie is more filling when it's packed with vegetable. Look how beautiful that is. It's so colorful.
That's what I wanted to say.
Money is going to taste for salt. Don't go and burn yourself. Huh? Do we need salt?
No.
You don't think we need salt? Because we have not added salt.
It's good like that. The saucisson make it after.
That's looking so good. What do you guys think? So we are going to fry some plantain to add to that. Ready? Guys, lunch is ready. Let me try it for you guys. 10 over 10 for me, Nathan. 8 over 10 for me. How many did you rate it? You that made it.
I put 10 out of 10.